Kapag may tamang shading, steady ang temperature, even ang growth, stress-free ang mga halaman. Literal na sunscreen ire ng mga tanim. Prevents sunburn, dehydration, and overexposure. Yung shade cloths pala is pwedeng yari sa canvas or plastic HDPE. Yung canvas is made of polyester or cotton, heavy, waterproof, and less breathable. Kaya lang ito ay pang outdoor use lamang. And yung para sa greenhouse is mas recommended yung plastic or the high density polyethylene. Kasi lightweight, UV stabilized at breathable na siya. Now let's zoom in sa mismong sinulid ng shade cloth. Look at here, this is the monofilament thread. It's a single solid strand. Bilog na plastic strand, parang fishing line. Ito, pag makikita mo ang thread na to, tinatawag itong bunch monofilament at ito naman ay multifilament. Pero sa greenhouse, mas prefer ang monofilament kasi, yun nga, stronger siya and last longer. Yung isang thread structure is tinatawag na tape thread or flat yarn. Kasi parang flat na plastics film ito. Mas mura, mas magaan, pero mabilis mag-degrade sa ilalim ng araw. So kung pag short-term project lang naman, pwede na si tape yarn. Pero kung pang matagalan kahit hindi pang forever. Next question, anong material ang ginagamit sa thread mismo? Pwedeng yari sa nylon, HDPE, or polypropylene. Yung pinaka-recommended is the HDPE kasi tough and UV stable, weather resistant. So, HDPE na. Halimbawa ito ng tape shade cloth. As you can see, flat plastic tape siya, di ba? It comes in different shading levels. The first one is tape 30. 30 means 30% of shading rate. Yung kaya niyang ibigay na shade lang. Next one is the tape 50. 50% shading rate naman. And yung tape 70, 70% shading rate. And yung tape 90 is 90% shading rate. 30%, perfect for crops like strawberries, tomatoes, and peppers. 50% shading rate. Ideal for foliage plants, orchids, potted greens, or 70% shading rate, a bit darker, perfect for ferns, philodendrons, and succulents. At lastly, yung tape 90 or 90% shading rate, heavy shade, ginagamit sa cattle sheds, poultry houses, and vehicle shades. So each tape, flexible and has about 3 years UV warranty, meaning di agad siya bibigay. Now let's move on to the upgraded version, the monofilament shade netting, aka the elite bodyguard of greenhouse. This one uses round single, so round yan na ang ginagamit dyan kasi monofilament thread ang ginagamit. Parang fishing line, and it is made from high density polyethylene. So it's heavier, smoother, and more UV stable than tape type. It also comes in 3 main variants. We have the 40%, 60%, and the 80%. Yung 40% para siya sa greenhouse with delicate crops. Yung 60% naman is perfect for flower. And then yung 80% designed for livestock again kasi cooler, denser, and long-lasting protection. Here's the cool part. Monofilament can last 8 years, 5 to 8 years under full sun exposure. Kaya kung gusto mo ng long-term investment for your greenhouse, ito na yan. Matibay, matagal, at hindi nang iiwan agad. Oh, scientifically, yung monofilament's round cross-sections allows better airflow and reducing hot spots inside the greenhouse. So, sino pipiliin mo? The tape or monofilament? Depende sa'yo kung sa cheap ka o sa pangmatagalan. Hala, depende kung anong tanim mo at kung ano ang afford mo. Ikaw naman. If you're just starting out, you can go to tape. It's cheaper, flexible, and perfect for basic protection. But if you want serious durability and precise shading control, go monofilament, the greenhouse VIP pass. And remember, too much shade and your plants will stretch out, too little and they'll get sunburned. They also help manage transpiration rates, meaning plants don't lose water too fast. Kaya with the right cloth, you can save up to 40% on irrigation and prevent heat stress. That's smart farming right there. Because real engineers don't just plant, we design the perfect environment for growth, and that's how we turn shade into science. 'Di ba? Narinig nyo na ba ang Rachel knitted shade cloth? Hindi po yan branda. Rachel or Rachel refers to the weaving technology or pattern, not a brand but a method. Ginagawa ito gamit ang Rachel warp knitting machine. Naghahabi ng threads in a diamond or net-like pattern. Kaya matibay, UV resistant at kahit putulin, hindi nagsiscatter ang edges. Yun. On the other hand, yung woven shade cloth is made of interlaced strips. Parang texture ng sako. Nakita nyo ba yung sako? Paano tinahi yung sako? Ganun ang woven shade cloth. Ginagamit yan sa mga large commercial setups, pang industrial. Pero careful kasi pag ginupit mo yon, madaling mag-fray. Ito yung itsura ng fray. Yan. Pag ginupit mo yung edge, kung sa tela, mukhang ganyan. Pero kung sa woven shade cloth, ganito naman. Madaling masira yung cloth mo kapag hindi mo agad na-sealed yung edges na kinat mo. Yung knitted shade cloth made of interloop polyethylene threads, parang net pattern siya. Flexible, magaan, hindi madaling mapunit at kahit putulin mo, hindi nagra-ravel o nag-fray. Pero itong si woven shade cloth, gawa sa tinahing tape strips, parang texture ng sako. Mas mabigat, mas matibay at mas heavy duty pero kapag ginupit, madaling mag-fray. Kailangan sealed yung edges. Sa tela, the edges would look like this after cutting if hindi tinahian ang gilid. And ang woven shade will likely fray if the edges is not sealed after cutting. Kung small greenhouse or nursery, go for knitted kasi lightweight and easy to handle siya. Kung large commercial setup naman, go for woven or reinforced knitted type. Kung tropical climate katulad sa Pilipinas, just choose HDPE, monofilament Rachel knitted. Yan ang plant-approved na combination. Yes, this one. The most common UV stabilized lightweight doesn't unravel. Meron tayong black shade, 70% green, white shade, 50%, 85%. Pwede na rin siya sa bahay, no? Available din ito sa market. Combination ng monofilament at saka tape material. Yung sa gitna is the tape material. Tape yan. And ito, yung sa gitna pa rin is monofilament. Monofilament is single solid. Diba? If you want to buy for your seedlings, just choose the 50%. Pero kung pang windbreak, pang vehicle protection, 70%. And for privacy, 90%. This is the available material also in the market. We have the plain 40, plain 80, and plain 95, 3 years warranty. So this one is the aluminate shade cloth. The cool, reflective, superhero of the greenhouse world. Aba, it's high-tech, you know. Ginawa ito mula sa aluminum-coated polyethylene monofilament fibers, reflective at UV resistant. Instead of absorbing heat like dark nets, it bounces sunlight back. That's why if someone sees that shiny silver net and says, "Ang ganda naman ng tela mo, te," you tell them, hindi tela yan. Thermal reflective shade cloth yan, engineered for microclimate management. Okay, so this has been Engineer Bel Mana, your greenhouse bestie. Stay bright, stay cool, and as always, study smarter, trust harder, tuon maayo.